This is my solution to a 2-speed rear axle in a Chevy C60 switch. This is a pneumatic switch for the rear axle. And if you're having a hard time finding the cable, this is what you can do. You take a choke cable, take a piece of angle iron, make some grinds, and drill a few holes with a few U-bolts. That is now going to allow me to shift the rear axle while I'm driving. If I pull on it, it switches. If I push on it, it goes back. Simple as that. I just made this little bracket to clamp onto the stick shift. Hope this helps someone.